I welcome you back for class 9 subject science. So we will continue our topic, that is the fundamental unit of life. Here you can see this is the picture of chloroplast in section. Now in your textbook it is plastids. Okay, plastids are nothing but the kitchen of the plant. Okay, what it is known as the kitchen of the plant. Plastids are present only in the plant cell. Okay, that is the difference. Which organelles are not present? That is the plastids are not present in the animal cell. Plastids are present only in the plant cell. In plastids, there are two types of plastids. One is chromoplast. Chromo means colored plastids. Okay, chromoplast, and leukoplast. Leuco means white or colorless plastids. Those two types of plastids are present. Plastids containing the pigment chlorophyll are known as chloroplast. As you can see the picture, this picture is nothing but the chloroplast. Chloroplast is a green pigment chlorophyll containing plastids. Okay, chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis in plants. Here only it is been where the photosynthesis take place, means it is the chloroplast. Chloroplast also contain various yellow or orange pigments in addition to chlorophyll. Okay, this is the chlorophyll. Now chlorophyll has two parts here. You can see that is the stroma and the grana. This folded part is known as grana. Okay, grana and stroma, double layer membrane. Grana has chlorophyll. Chlorophyll plays an important role in preparing food. Understood? Then what about the leukoplast? Leukoplasts are primarily organelles in which materials such as starch, oils and protein granules are stored. Okay, there are two things in the plastid. There are two things, that is chromoplast which prepare the food, leukoplast where the food is stored in such, that is as starch, oils and proteins. The internal organization of the plastid consists of numerous membranes, layer embedded in a material called the stroma. That is what I said to you here, right? Numerous membranes, it is layered, it is known as stroma. Plastids are similar to mitochondria in external structure. It will look like mitochondria only. And here, as I said you, in the animal cell, mitochondria can make its own, own proteins. It is also known as powerhouse. Similarly, in plants, these plastids have their own DNA and ribosomes. Okay, where the food is getting prepared. This is present only in the animal cell. Clear? Here the next cell organelle we can, that is vacuoles. Vacuoles are nothing but the storeroom of the cell. What it is? The storeroom. What we do in the storeroom? Whatever the extra important things it is there, that we keep it in the storeroom. Even here vacuoles are the storage sacs for solid or liquid contents. This green color structure is a vacuole in a plant cell. You can see it is very big here. In the plant cell it will be large, but even in animal cell it will be small. In animal cell it will be small vacuoles. Okay. Here you can see the small one, it will be present. The vacuoles will be very small in the animal cell. Now, in plant cell vacuoles are full of cell sap and provide turgidity. What it is means it is very big and it gives strength. Turgidity means the strength, the boldness of the plant, and rigidity to the cell means it cannot be break easily. Rigidity means it cannot be break easily. Many substances of importance in the life of the plant cell are stored in vacuoles. As I said you, it is nothing but the storeroom. It stores the important cell. That what it stores? It stores amino acids, sugars, various organic acids and some proteins. In single cell organism like amoeba, this vacuole is known as the food vacuole. Okay, because it is very tiny, there are no vacuoles, it is known as, the same vacuole is known as food vacuole. contains the food items that amoeba has consumed. In some unicellular organisms, specialized vacuoles also play important roles in expelling excess water and some waste from the cell. Not in plant cell or the animal cell. It is in the unicellular organism, that is a single cell amoeba, where the vacuole plays another role. What is the other role? Means what is the other function of vacuole? Means excess of water and waste will be removed through vacuole in unicellular organism. Okay. In animal cell, which is that which throws the waste from the body, that is the lysosome. Remember, right? So each cell thus requires its structure and ability to function because of the organism of its membranes and organelles in specific ways. So in cell, each cell has different parts. Those parts are known as organelle. So each organelle has its own function. So it will be differentiate. Thus the cell has a basic structural organization. This helps the cell to perform functions like respiration, obtaining nutrition and clearing of waste material or forming new proteins. How we work at home, right? So in the kitchen we are cooking, in the hall we are sitting, in the dining hall we are eating, in the bedroom we are sleeping. Similarly, here in the cell there are different organelles will perform different functions for the cell. Understood? Obtaining nutrition and clearing the waste material or forming new proteins. Thus, the cell is the fundamental structural unit of living organism. It is also the basic functional unit of life. Thank you.